Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are. A big bowl of 100 chicken nuggets from McDonald's.
I told David if he ate 60 or more nuggets, I will give him $20, and I'm gonna shake his hand on it.
That's on video. That's on video.
If he ate 60 or more nuggets, he gets $20 because that's a champ right there.
Alright, how's it going, guys? It's me, David.
And it's me again, Giuseppe.
And right now, we're on our way to McDonald's.
And we just got out from filming the Bean Boozled video, so we're gonna treat ourselves with 100 nuggets.
Alright, here we go. The drive-thru.
Hi, how much are your 20-piece nuggets? Alright, can we get 5 of those?
Okay.
Just the nuggets. And then, do you want any sauce?
Yeah, get sweet and sour.
Can we get like sweet and sour sauce and ranch, please?
Okay. Got it?
Oh, wait, how many? Oh, get some,
we want the 20-piece nuggets.
I know.
Oh, okay, sorry.
523.
Okay.
Wait.
Got it?
Wait, can we get 5 of them?
Yeah, we're looking for 20-piece nuggets.
I know.
Oh, it just doesn't register? Oh, okay, that's fine. Alright, yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Wait, get some more sauces. Wait, can we get like one of each sauce?
McDonald's, man.
Absolutely.
I think they're gonna mess up our order, but let's see.
Yo, that was low-key rude.
That was
She literally shut us off like that.
I have a McDonald's app. I go to McDonald's a lot. That is the first time I got that terrible service.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Like we just wanted some nuggets.
I hope she understood me, right?
I know, and like I'm not trying to eat sweet and sour all the time. Like I gotta get I was asking if we could get like one of each sauce or something. Like
Oh, that could have been good.
you know, like get some variety because you know after too many nugs, it's not gonna end up
We'll see
too
what
well.
happens. If they give us too little, then fuck it, we'll just go around and we'll just go inside and get them because I don't know. Thanks.
Wait, that's it?
Yeah, they messed up our order.
Like okay, we gotta go around like.
Or we
We gotta go inside.
Yeah, let's go inside. Let's see.
Alright, SOD. Alright, whatever.
Yeah, we only got 2 10-piece nuggets. Alright.
Alright.
We'll be back once we get all the nuggets.
Yeah, we're gonna go inside. We gotta order it in person because like apparently the person at the drive-thru low-key rude, actually high-key rude. That was actually fucking awful. Alright, let's see how it goes. So, we are back in the car.
After they messed up our order once, we now have all our nuggets.
Like I'm pretty sure we were like clear on like we said like 5 20-piece nuggets and she's like, oh okay, I'll give you 2 10s. What the fuck, dude? Anyway, we got our nuggets. We had to order 80 more nuggets when we went inside. And we got 10-piece. Make that 20. Let's get that to the side. Here we go. Another 10-piece. 30, keep them counting, 40, 50,
60,
70,
80,
90, the last one, 100.
Make it rain sauces!
Look at all of that. Oh boy, he's getting into it.
Nuggets, huh?
100 nuggets.
We're gonna need some motivation if we are gonna do this right. Alright, turn off the copyright. Let's dive in.
Dink. First nugget.
We got a long road ahead of us.
98 more.
98 more.
I love sweet and sour so much. It's my favorite dipping sauce in McDonald's.
Yeah?
Sweet and sour. That's my plan, man.
Spicy, not too bad.
Okay.
Spicy go full.
I'm gonna try that. I don't think I've ever had this one before. Or Just like Frank's Red Hot.
Yeah. Do any of you guys know Furious Pete? Because if you do, he's a competitive eater. He has a pretty good YouTube channel. I'm gonna eat like him.
Oh my God! Can you eat pussy like that?
Honey mustard, not too bad. I don't know, I like him. Like very like, it's like more diluted than most honey mustards. But I feel like a lot of honey mustards in general are like overpowering. But this is like, I think a watered down version.
Bro, I'm sweating for how fast I'm eating. Jesus Christ. I'm using so much effort to eat. I feel a burp coming. Jesus. And that was it. This would be a good idea for a party. Just buy 100 nuggets, put it in a bowl, and just let everyone like just take it one out at a time.
It's so cheap.
Yeah, what was it like? $30 for the entire thing? Yeah, it was like $30 for all those nuggets. Let's see how many are left. There's 1, 2, 4, 6, 18. So there's still more than 20.
I know, you just dropped the. You didn't want to finish going. You just dropped the whole. You just dropped the whole.
I'm just like,
nugget.
this is not worth it.
This is a lot.
This.
A good old yak after this video would be not a bad idea. I've never consumed so much nuggets in my life.
Yeah, we definitely reached more than 20 each by now. Definitely more.
Has to be. It's not even good anymore.
That's what I'm saying. I think I lost my appetite for eating McNuggets for life. I'm gonna take one look at them and remember this moment.
One, two. Alright, let's count by twos. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 plus 21 is 33.
There's 31 left. No, yeah, 33. So we've had 67. Oh my god.
I just feel disgusting eating all this.
Me too.
Like, it's so guilty. I feel so guilty. I don't know how people do mukbangs and stuff. Like, I like watching people. I like watching mukbangs. Like watching people eat. I don't know why, but actually doing it, like, oh god, I feel so bloated. To be honest, I'm not even that bad right now.
No, I'm pretty bad.
I'm alright right now. Like I can handle like a couple more nuggets.
Like we're I could probably do a couple more here.
I'm full. Like I know I'm full, but like it's not like a painful full right now. Really, my body's just taking like a champ right now.
My mind is telling me no, but my body is telling me no.
No, too, man.
But the viewers at home are saying, keep going.
We're actually almost done, dude. I just want to give up, dude, but...
Oh god. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh soot.
Oh, soot. Oh,
My body.
yeah, it looks like he pissed himself.
My drinking water's all gone.
His water burst.
My water bursted.
Alright.
I believe I ate I think I ate around 40 something. Or it's either I ate 40 something or I'm at 40. Like I'm probably, this is like 39 and I'm gonna, like these next are gonna hit 40. Ooh. Oh god. Oh god.
I got a lot of gas out of that one.
Yeah, I'm trying to get mine out.
In McDonald's honey mustard, honey is the 6th listed ingredient. Honey in a honey mustard. And mustard seed is the 5th listed ingredient. When you're eating McDonald's honey mustard, honey and mustard are not the priorities in this honey mustard.
I didn't even think it was gonna be this bad.
I knew it was gonna be this bad. It's 100 fucking nuggets. What do you expect?
It'll be I guarantee that you did not have. I did not have more than you, but it'll be fucking hysterical if I did. I know I didn't. I know I didn't. But the numbers may say something else because I had a lot when I started. I think I down like 10 within the first minute.
We'll see. We'll watch the replays. I'm about to finish this. Oh my god.
Come on, come on.
One more nugget.
Come on, Somi, come on.
Here we go.
It's like, it's up to here. Anything else is just, it's going down a hole like that small. That's all it's going down, man.
That's what she said. It just hurts to burp.
It hurts to think.
Alright, well, I finished my portion of the nuggets. That was absolutely excruciating. I feel 10 times fatter. I don't want to do anything besides die.
Furious Pete. Furious Pete, if you're watching this, this is for you.
He's doing it like a champ. These last nuggets like a champ. Oh, drink that water, baby. Here we go. Yeah. Just to show you guys, yes, I have an auto so you can see the bowl. It is empty. He's still chewing those last nuggets, drinking some more water. I'm gonna show you these boxes. That's empty. Second 10 piece, empty. Third 10 piece, empty. Fourth one, empty. Fifth one, boom, absolutely nothing. 6. Get out of here. 7. Oh my god, imagine one of these boxes still had nuggets.
Oh my god, I would fucking shoot myself. I would be like, nah, screw that, I'm not eating them.
9th box. Get that open. Nada. Last one. Nada. That is 100 nuggos inside my stomach, inside Giuseppe's stomach. And on top of that, some water and soda. Oh shit, I was trying to drink out of this.
Oh, I took it, I'm sorry.
Fuck you.
I needed it.
You're still chewing those last? That wasn't even,
My stomach doesn't want to eat it anymore.
Oh,
done, baby. Let's go. Let's go. 100
go.
nuggets, man.
That's 100 nuggets. We did
I
it.
give respect to you because I feel like you did eat the more of the nuggets, the most of them.
Like after like 5 nuggets, I just like that's just mindless chewing.
After that first minute, like the first like 2 or 3 minutes, I was like, this is such a bad idea. Because like we ate how many? We ate probably like 6 or 7 each, and the thing looked like it barely got dented. Like
even when we hit like the other time when we counted like 60 something, like that looked like it was forever.
It looked like it was like still like 50 more. If you guys are looking for a $30 meal, 100 nuggets, you can do it.
Alright guys, well we hope you enjoyed this video. This was enjoyable at first, but yeah, as you can see throughout the video, we kind of hit a little hiatus in our nugget adventure, and we wanted to give up, but you know, as true warriors we are, we pushed and pushed and pushed, and we strived for success. And that success is eating 100 nuggets. Thank you guys again for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe. You know what to do.
Signing off. I'm Giuseppe.
I'm David. It's Peruvian Asians. We're out. Woo! 100 nuggos.
My God, never again.